Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wi-Fi driver problems using Device Manager, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Wi-Fi driver problems using Device Manager, start by opening your computer. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Device Manager into the search bar. Select the Device Manager application from the search results. Once Device Manager is open, look for the section labeled Network Adapters. Expand this section by clicking the small arrow next to it. You will see a list of all network devices installed on your computer. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter from the list. It may have names like wireless, Wi-Fi, or the manufacturer's name. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. From the context menu, select Properties. In the Properties window, check the Device Status section. If it states this device is working properly, your driver may not have issues. If it shows an error message or code, take note of it. Navigate to the Driver tab within the Properties window. Here, you can find information about your driver version. To update the driver, click on the Update Driver button. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. After the update process, restart your computer to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, return to the Device Manager. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation and restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver upon reboot. Check your Wi-Fi connection again to see if the problem has been fixed. If issues continue, consider seeking help from the manufacturer's support site. Following these steps will help you diagnose potential Wi-Fi driver problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.